We're bringing fresh energy to a well-loved area in Midlothian, Virginia. Welcome to Charter Colony by HHHunt, where modern living meets timeless charm and thoughtful design. Here is your Spring 2025 drone update. Not only is this community teeming with existing and proposed amenities, but it's surrounded by parks, trails, and nearby everyday conveniences. This community blends lifestyle and location with ease. Our preferred builder, HHHunt Homes, has a stunning new model home now open, with up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. These single-family homes are built for flexibility and function. Let's take a closer look. We invite you to schedule a tour and see for yourself what makes Charter Colony so special. Get all the details at chartercolony.com or hhhuntcommunities.com.